Hello friends, do you have this issue, the limited connection issue? If you do have that, then this video is for you, how to fix it. So there is a limited connection and the internet is not running. So for that, what you have to do is go to the settings and then go to the date and time setting, then click on the date and time and then set the time automatically and the time zone as well. So once you do this, just go back to the settings and check the Wi-Fi connection again, and this time it should be connected without any error, and the internet will run as well. And this is how you solve this problem. If you have any doubt, then please let me know in the comment section. I'll get back to you. And thank you for watching the video, and please do subscribe my channel.